Trading styles every traders need to know: scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Investing in share market can be risky even for individuals with bundles of capital and experience. Let's understand some other investment strategy you can resort to and reduce risk of losses. Scalping trading strategy. They aim to scalp a small profit from each trade in the hope that all the small profit accumulate. Day trading strategy. Day traders take the advantages of price fluctuation in between the market open and close hours. They follow an organized trading plan that can quickly adapt to the fast market movements. Swing trading strategy. Swing trading refers to trade both sides on the movements of any financial market. Swing trader aim to buy a security when they suspected that the market will rise.